And I am Ayush Sharma. You are watching Apex News. Before moving ahead to the top headlines, Apex News appeals to all the viewers to stay safe from the COVID-19 pandemic. Wear face mask, wash your hands and face regularly, and maintain social distance.
Let's now get to the top stories. Graduation ceremony was organized at Apex College for Girls. Topper students were awarded with medals and certificates. Blood donation camp had been organized in the university. Chairman of the university gave the message of awareness. Farewell ceremony was organized at Apex Pharmacy College. Dr. Pankaj Sharma administered the physician oath. Padma Shri Dr. Krishna Punya released Women's Day special edition of Apex Today newspaper. NCC cadets of Apex University attended the annual training camp. Basant Panchami Mahotsav celebrated at university campus. Apex School of Journalism and Mass Communication conducted conference on Journalism Day.
A glorious celebration was seen at the graduation ceremony held at Apex College for Girls. In this ceremony, topper students were awarded with medals and certificates. Vice Chancellor Dr. Professor O.P. Changani and Registrar Dr. Pankaj Sharma along with guests lit the lamp to begin the ceremony. The chief guest of the event was Miss Elite Rajasthan Isha Agarwal. Professor Dr. O.P. Changani administered the ceremony oath to the students. In the event, Principal of ACG Dr. Veena Changani, Head School of Journalism and Mass Communication Mrs. Sangeeta Sharma, Mr. Raju Sharma honored the merit holders by conferring medals and certificates. Graduated students showed their gratitude toward their faculties and shared their college experiences. Chairman of the Apex University Dr. Ravi Juniwal wished all the students luck for their future endeavors. Health protocols were completely taken care of throughout the event.
आज हमारे लिए बहुत गर्व की और खुशी की बात है कि अपेक्स कॉलेज फॉर गर्ल्स का पहला बैच जो 2017 में जिसने प्रवेश किया था वो बहुत सफलतापूर्वक और गौरवान्वित होकर पास आउट हुआ है और सभी छात्राओं ने बहुत अच्छे नंबर अर्जित किए हैं जिसके हमें बहुत खुशी है और हम सभी उनके उज्जवल भविष्य की कामना करते हैं.
On the occasion of the 56th Foundation Day of Sanjay Shiksha Samiti and 79th birth anniversary of its founder chairman Dr. S.M. Juniwal, Apex University organized mega blood donation camp. The students and the faculty member of Apex group donated blood and imparted the message of awareness. More than 200 units of blood was donated in the camp. The camp was inaugurated by the Vice Chancellor Dr. Professor O.P. Changani at the Mansarovar campus, while at the H-Roll campus, Secretary of Sanjay Shiksha Samiti, Mr. Manoj Juniwal, retired IAS officer and advisor of Apex University, Mr. Khemraj Chaudhary, and Sarpanch of H-Roll Panchayat Samiti, Jamna Devi, inaugurated the camp. They stimulated all the donors by offering certificates and mementos. The camp was organized under the supervision of expert medical team of Santokba Dullabji Hospital Blood Bank and Savai Mansingh Hospital. The chairman of Apex University, Dr. Ravi Juniwal, said that in the present time, blood donation is the greatest service to the society and every capable person should donate blood.
On 16 February, we celebrate our Founders Day as our founder believed that blood donation is one of the greatest donation which a person can do. On this day, large number of our students donate their blood and they also get the certificate. We encourage our students to donate blood in large number.
A farewell ceremony was organized at the School of Pharmaceutical Science of Apex University, where the students of D Pharma second year were bid farewell. The senior received a warm welcome by the juniors. The juniors enthusiastically performed farewell songs for the seniors, which created an emotional atmosphere. Awards were given to the seniors keeping in mind their caliber and capability. During the ceremony, the Dean of Pharmacy Dr. Pankaj Sharma administered the physician oath and said that one should never indulge in antisocial activities. During the event, Principal Dr. Jaya Sharma said that the students are always unforgettable for their teachers and she wished them for successful future.
Today is the farewell of our diploma batch 2018-20. I, Dr. Pankaj Sharma, Dean Pharmacy, Apex University Jaipur. I wish all the best for my all students of Diploma Pharmacy of this batch, and we pray to the God that all the students of this batch may be successful in their life. यही हमारी सारे faculties की wish है हमारे सारे students के साथ, and we are the backbone of all students. Life में जब भी किसी support की जरूरत होगी, we are always with them.
On the occasion of Women's Day, MLA Padma Shri Dr. Krishna Punya released the Women's Day special edition of Apex Today newspaper. Editor of Apex Today, Dr. Manish Shukla and Assistant Professor Mrs. Sunita Prajapat welcomed the guest. Dr. Punya, while wishing everyone, said that today both men and women are equal and women are eliminating the name of the country. On the occasion, Dr. Prerna Sahani, senior journalist of Dainik Bhaskar, shared her experiences with the student on the challenges faced by women in journalism. Head of the department, Mrs. Sangeeta Sharma, said that today the participation of women is in every field and she is also accepting extraordinary challenges. Dr. Sheetal Juniwal, director of Apex International School, wished all the luck to the trainee journalist.
The students and faculty members of Apex University celebrated Basant Panchami Mahotsav with customary cheer and reverence, and they rejoiced the onset of the spring. Panchami celebration at the university campus gave students and staff an opportunity to enjoy, with yellow being the color of the day. All the members of university paid their reverence to Goddess Saraswati, the deity of knowledge, music and art, and this was followed by a soulful rendition, He Shardema.
Om Pundrikaksha Punatu Pundrikaksha Punatu Pundrikaksha Punatu Vamaste Janam Gritva Trivaram Masalam Puryadah.
On the occasion of Journalism Day, a conference was held by the School of Journalism and Mass Communication at Apex University. Students and faculty members of the department took active part in the event. During the conference, senior journalist Dr. Mithilesh Gemini said that in the present time there is a need to constant change in the journalism sector.
जैसे कल इलेक्शन हुए, आप 30th के स्टूडेंट कितने निकायों में चुनाव हुए, कोई बता सकता है आपके? कल जयपुर में पूरे राजस्थान में निकाय चुनाव है, यूडीएच के रिलेटेड, ठीक है, नगर पालिका, नगर निगम के चुनाव हुए, आपने बता सकते हैं कितने में हुए?
Head of the department, Mrs. Sangeeta Sharma, while explaining the importance of Journalism Day, said that in the current time, there is a need to adopt the policies of the best journalist. In the conference, Dr. Manish Shukla introduced to the students the glorious history of Indian journalism. Assistant Professor Mrs. Sunita Prajapat acknowledged all the guests for participating.
कितनी कहानियां मैं आपको सुना सकता हूँ, लेकिन आप ये देखिए अखबार क्यों निकाली गई? उनका सपना था सबका देश को आज़ाद कराना है, देश को आगे ले जाना है, और उन्होंने आज़ाद करा के कर दिया। 1947 में हमारा देश आज़ाद हुआ तो हजारों की संख्या में अखबार निकल रहे थे, वो सब अखबारों का अहम योगदान था, उनके संपादकों का योगदान था। पहले छापते थे और उसके बाद खुद ही जनता को पढ़कर सुनाते थे।
Today, on the occasion of Journalism Day, a conference is organized in the Apex School of Journalism and Mass Communication. Through this conference, experts have discussed with the students about the changing trends of journalism. Students also get to know about the glorious history associated with this day. Every occasion related to journalism is celebrated in this school so that young journalists can feel attachment with the journalism.
NCC cadets of Apex University attended the annual training camp in Sri Bhavani Niketan PG College. They learned about different types of battle and field craft along with the techniques to drill, riding map rifle, firing and much more. They also learned about the discipline, time management and national integration as per NCC legacy. That's it from us in this edition, but before we go, remember COVID-19 is not over yet, so take complete precautions and protect yourself and others from it. Thanks for watching. Stay safe, stay healthy.
Thank you.
Thank you.